Hey, did you know the Fein company has been around for more than 150 years? And during that time, they have come up with some pretty cool tools. And I'm going to give you a couple examples. They came up with a backpack phone. They also invented the Oscillating Saw, which was initially developed to help remove casts from people with broken bones without actually removing the limb that might have had the broken bone. So that's another fine innovation. They have come up with all kinds of things. The power drill, they invented that back in 1895. Now that has changed a lot. A lot of tools have changed a lot over that period of time, and we've got a couple to show you coming right up. I'm here with Michael from Fein, and Michael, you brought a premium quality dust extractor with you, right?
Yeah.
Tell me a little about this. What makes it a premium dust extractor?
So this is our new Turbo X AC HEPA Vac. It's our premium dust extractor line. When you go to our premium line, there's a few more bells and whistles that you get with this machine. So on this particular one, you're able to control your suction on the front, the level of power it will suck. It also has an auto clean feature, so that way if there's dust built up on the bottom of the filter, about every 15 seconds it'll thump and it'll basically reverses the airflow and cleans that filter. So
and it does that automatically, you don't have to worry about it.
Automatically, yeah. So you can turn that feature on or off. You get all the attachments with it, so it's a kit deal. So you get the vac, you get the extension tubes, you get all of these accessories, you know, your brush, your crevice tool.
Right.
Your
and these aren't little plastic tubes that you're gonna crack.
No,
use them, right?
no, those
sturdy metal.
Other things, you get these large non-marring back wheels, and our wheels in front are not cheap plastic wheels. They are metal and they lock as well. So
all right.
There's also built-in storage on the top, so our toolboxes will fit on the top of the machine. So easy transport. You can stack these 3, 4, 5 high and wheel it to your job site.
Okay, and this of course meets all of the dust extraction requirements for silicates and those kinds of things, right?
Yes, so this one does because it has the HEPA filter, the auto clean function, and this particular one has 151 CFM, so a lot of suction in this vac.
All right, so I think it's worth noting that price-wise, although you guys call it a premium dust extractor, it does not carry that premium price that a lot of others do. Isn't that true?
Yeah, so it is our premium vac, but we tried to keep it, you know, a reasonable price.
Affordability is a big deal when you're in business and you're having to use these for business or any other purpose, actually.
Yeah, and the other thing on this, we do stand behind it with our Fein Plus warranty, so you get 1 year out of the box. You register it, you'll get 2 additional years, so you have 3 years total to not worry about this machine.
Okay, premium tool, not necessarily a premium price. A lot of quality in this thing, and I bet you can find this on Toolbarn.com. I think you should check it out. And if you do, buy one because it's worth the price. We're back with Michael from Fein. And Michael, Fein is known for mag drills, but this is new even for Fein, correct? Tell me about it.
Yeah, so this is brand new for us. Mag drills aren't new for us. We do have 16 different mag drills, and this is the 17th mag drill that we have out now. So it's our first battery-powered mag drill that we have, so relatively brand new to the market. Some features on this: the magnet portion is powered by a rare earth magnet, so the battery only controls the motor. It doesn't have anything to do with the sticking force. So if you don't have a battery on or the battery dies, it's not going to fall. It's held by this. So basically you give it one little push and it locks it in at 30%. This gives you the ability to position it exactly where you want it, but the magnet's still holding the weight of the tool. So if you're working, you know, on a wall or overhead, it'll hold it. Once you push it all the way over, it's fully engaged. So once it's engaged, you have really easy to read controls up here. You have your forward as well as your speed settings. This one is a variable speed unit, so there's 6 different speeds. This green indicator will let you know that your magnet is sticking well. If it blinks, you may have to clean your surface a little bit.
Okay.
As far as cutters, it's got the quick change, so you just pull down, the cutter just snaps right up inside.
Okay.
It has a double dovetail design, so you can maximize the stroke on the machine, so you're able to actually pull it clear up.
Okay.
Like
All
that.
right.
So you're going to be able to get a ton of travel with this machine. It does have a brushless motor. Comes in a kit with 2 batteries and a charger. They're 5.2 amp hour batteries. They do have a power meter on the side, so before you get up somewhere, you can check the level, so you're not with a dead battery. We're getting about 17 holes, depending on the thickness of material and the size of hole you're cutting, and who's of course using the machine.
So, it's probably an obvious question, but who's going to want to use this? Who's going to use this? What are the best applications for this?
So your construction crews, where they're out, doing installs out in the field, where they may not have access to power. Stuff gets fabbed up in the shop and then moved out to the field. Something doesn't line up quite right. This is a great option if they, have several holes they got to do, rather than running back to get a generator or bringing the whole piece back to get it fixed.
I had to laugh a little when you said something doesn't line up right. That's the story of my life, so something like this may be a smaller one for me. So it's got plenty of power to do most jobs, or the jobs that people are going to need to do in the field. You of course eliminate the need for cords with any cordless tool, but especially with this one. Mag drills haven't typically done that, have they?
No, they haven't. So yeah, all of our other models are corded. So this is once again our first cordless. The power's all there, capacity same as our corded versions. This will do an 1 3/8" diameter hole up to 2 inches thick. So if you can do that with a cordless mag drill, that's going to handle most every job.
Yeah, great. All right, well look, you know where you can find all these things. We've got this from Fein. We've got a bunch of other tools from Fein, all on toolbarn.com. Check it out. You'll find some tools that will help you get the job done that you need to get done. And Michael, we thank you for being here. We hope that all of you join us next time.